Hi friends, welcome to IQ Search channel. In this video, we are going to solve two questions about PEMDAS rule. In the first question, we have 6 plus 18 inside the parenthesis, then over 4, then times 3 to the power of 2 minus 6 divided by 1. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? Let's solve it step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. As you can see on the screen, and in this expression we have parentheses, multiplication, exponents, subtraction, and division. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify this parenthesis. 6 plus 18 equals 24 over 4. Then times 3 to the power of 2 minus 6 divided by 1. Now both numerator and denominator are divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 gives us 6. And 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. Now the expression becomes 6 times 3 to the power of 2 minus 6 divided by 1. Okay guys, now we have multiplication, exponent, subtraction, and division. In the next step, after parentheses, we simplify exponent. We write this expression as 6 times 3 times 3 equals 9, then minus 6 divided by 1. Now we have multiplication, subtraction, and division. According to PEMDAS, first we do this multiplication. 6 times 9 equals to 54 minus 6 divided by 1. Okay guys, now we have subtraction and division. First we simplify this division because division has higher priority than subtraction. Now we have 54 minus 6 divided by 1 equals 6. Finally, 54 minus 6 equals 48, and this is the final answer to this expression.